Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the live Nifty Banknifty expiry day trading. A thrilling day since today is expiry. It will be very volatile. For example, today morning Nifty was down up to 15,885. From there it bounced almost 260 points, and now it is 100 points down from the high. So this type of volatility will be there, and it keeps on moving like this only for the whole day. So once again, now for Nifty, I expect 16,012 will be the major support. So what we want to do is, today we want to trade in option. For example, we can go in for, when we think if market is going up, we can go for a call option. If we feel it will come down, we can go for a put option. Usually up to 230, the premiums will be very high. For example, this is the premium details for Nifty. You have to have a close watch on all the premiums, call option, all strike rate. For example, 4-5 strike rates above the spot, like that, put everything like that, so that it will be easy for us to see how things are going. And same way for Bank Nifty also, we should have a setup like this. Only then we will be able to catch the move. For example, call options are here, and below there are put options. So we should monitor how fast and furious the markets are moving. So today I gave the heading as exclusive. We can name it as explosives also, because lot of thunder shocks and all those will be there in this trading. Today, for example, morning $34,900 call. Around 12:45 it was, it was around 12:39, it was 7 rupees 80 paise. 12:30 it was 6 rupees 50 paise. 12:30 time frame. Now from there, from 6 rupees it went high up to 125. That means 20 times. That is 200% move in a matter of just 1 hour 5 minutes. So this is the power of selecting an option where to trade and when to trade. Usually, if you want to catch all this move, we should know the Nifty and Bank Nifty move, whether it will go further high from here or not, like that. So these things should be analyzed by watching the scripts in Bank Nifty. So most of us look at the Nifty chart, and we'll try to analyze rate fluctuations. But we should give more attention to their what all scripts are there in Nifty to derive Nifty's target. For example, today Nifty, these things are having almost out of 50 scripts, 8 scripts are having 52% weightage. So these 8 scripts, topping from Reliance, it is having 13% weightage, and HDFC 11.7, and it's like that. So all these 8 scripts are having a weightage of 53% in Nifty, and the remaining 42 company weightage is just 48%. So if we are able to analyze this move, then we can comfortably get very good returns in Nifty. For example, from morning HDFC Bank, it was in the higher side. It was almost 0.8% up in the morning. Now it went up to 2.25% high. So if we are very good knowledge in analyzing the individual scripts, along with that we can comfortably find out Nifty's target. So today from morning, all these scripts, out of 8, 3, 4, 5 are in positive, and 3 are negative. Reliance is 1% down from yesterday's close. It is little bit weak. In spite of weakness, Nifty is 62 points up. So suppose if Reliance also come to positive territory, we can see Nifty another 40-50 points upside. So this is the way we have to calculate. And for Bank Nifty, there are 12 companies in Bank Nifty. Out of these 12, these 5 have more than 80% weightage. So that means HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank, State Bank and Axis Bank, all these 5 companies have more than 80% weightage. So if this is moving fast, if it is having a very good up move, then Bank Nifty will move very fast. So we have to know the calculations, how it is happening. So for today, actually it is an expiry day. We want to see all the scripts in together, how things are going on. So right from the morning, many scripts are in positive territory. Adani Enterprises is around 4.5% down now. Today morning it was more than 8% down from yesterday's closing. So some scripts are negative and some are positive. Yesterday also I had been discussing about IT sector. IT sector will have some up move, I told. And same for metal sector, Jindal Steel, JSW, Tata Steel, SAIL, all those things. So I told today any dip is a buying opportunity. SAIL, today's low is 69.35, now it is 73. So that means almost from the low 4-5% move. And like that Jindal Steel 370 low, 389. Today's high is 393. This will break today's high by closing. So steel sector is very strong now. So you can buy any steel scripts now for closing. So expiry day, this scripts will give more benefit. For example, Jindal Steel 390 call option is trading around 1 rupee 80 paise. So if it is breaking the high, today's high is 293, this will be more than 4 rupees. So lot of chances this will perform, but still it's on expiry day. We don't get an opportunity to trade in these scripts due to delivery settlement, all those things are there. So otherwise we can go for next month contract. It is trading around 25 call option, 390 call option in Jindal Steel. If the high is broken, this will go another 3 to 4 rupees upside. So in my view, for a June time frame, we can go for a buy in steel sector, IT sector. For that also I have given some selective scripts. So I gave a suggestion for Hindalco also. Hindalco 391 is the low. Maybe tomorrow we may get a small dip. That's a buying opportunity. We can see comfortably around 460 levels in the month of June. So we should take a 1 month time frame and try to use that. Now Nifty is around 16,087, 82 now. We should closely watch the scripts which are nearby high. So slowly Reliance is moving up. Now when we started the meeting it was around 2,579 something. Now it is 85. So mostly Reliance will also come into positive territory before closing. That's why Nifty is also climbing from 16,070. Now it is 16,100 nearby. So for the day, in my view, another 10-20 minutes after 2:30, the option premium will be a little bit low, so that we can try to take positions in options. And for now, my view is, if Nifty is going around 16,130 or 40, somewhere not nearby the high, suppose around 130, we can comfortably go for a 16,100 put option. So buying call option is not advisable for today. So any upside you can buy a put option. So let us wait for another 10-20 minutes. Individual scripts, for example, HDFC Bank is showing some strength. It is around 1359, 1363 is the high. So any dip, HDFC is a buy, and Adani Enterprises, I think it is very volatile, so avoid that script. And Bank Nifty is now 34,870. Spot is also same. So there is no premium or discount in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So almost it is neutral. So yesterday Nifty was 20 points discount. Now it is almost same. So now we want to watch for another 5-10 minutes carefully, and particularly if you want to take any options in put, we want to see the Nifty scripts, whichever scripts are Nifty weightage scripts, how it is going to perform. Now mostly everything is in green, and ICICI Bank is trading nearby the high. HDFC Bank is also above the this thing. It was 2% plus. Only Reliance is negative, whereas Kotak Bank is 0.5% down, and ITC is 2% down. So ITC is also having a weightage in Nifty, but still now it is in neutral. So let us watch for some more time, and we'll see where it will be like that. But in my view, for today, a hero zero call option which will be is Nifty put option. 16,050 is trading around 16,100 is trading around 26 rupees. So if Nifty moves around 16,030 levels or 24 levels, this will be available for 12 rupees or 13 rupees. So a lot of chances for this put option from today's low is 16. Now it is trading around 26. So 16,000 put option is the best bet for today. You can try to buy around 18 rupees if it comes, and you can average around 10 rupees, so that your cost will be 14 rupees, and it will definitely trade above 48. So my minimum target is 48 for 16,100 put. So now it is around 25. Somebody is interested, you can take a small portion here. So if it goes to 48, it is almost double. Suppose if we accumulate each and every dip like that, if we bring our cost to 18 or less than that, suppose if it is probable, any probability or any possibility is there, that will give three times 300% returns, 1:3 returns. So as of now, I expect to enter 16,100 put. Now it is around 27. Let us watch for some more time. So So friends, just keep an eye on Nifty, Bank Nifty, put 16,100 and 16,150 put. So now actually what I told, it came to 18 rupees. 18 rupees. Today's low is 16. Now you can try to buy this put option, and you can put and buy around 8 rupees also. So this will be a little bit hero or zero probability. Now it is 14. So we can buy at this level 15 rupees 30 paise for a target of 48 before closing. So any dip is a buying opportunity again. So those who are interested, they can try to buy a put. It is just 14-13 rupees only. So target is 48. Now it is 12. So 1:4 will be the target. That's what I expect. So let us wait for another half an hour, 1 hour. Sorry. Friends, actually some disturbance in the internet, some technical issue. So let us see. I think most probably we'll be get connected very soon. Okay. So now as we had been discussing, 16,100 put, low is 8 rupees. So I told when Nifty moves to 16,130, you can go for a put. So now it is already reached my target of 16,130. So now, now it is 224. Before 245, just a matter of 20-25 minutes, Nifty will come below 16,100. It may come up to 78 also, 16,078. That time this put option will be around 28 to 30 levels. So let us see for some more time. In my view, as I told you, opportunity is there in put side only. 0 opportunities in put side only. So we can try to take some positions and get use of that. Bank Nifty is around 35,000. Today it is 676 points up from yesterday's close. Yesterday itself Bank Nifty was showing some up move, and today it continued its rally. So let us see for Nifty what is going to happen. So already as I told people, those who want to buy 16,100 put, if they might have brought their average to 15 or 12 or something, they'll get 1:3 like that. So before closing, I expect this will trade more than 48 rupees. It's a hero or zero call. So let us see for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also trading around 35,029. So today's high is 35,034. It may break the high, but Nifty will not break the high. Nifty high is 16,164. So it won't break the high. It have to correct. Once again it will come down up to 16,078 or 80 levels. Maybe another 50-60 points correction from this level. And Bank Nifty, any upside upside above 35,050 or 70, it will cool down up to 34,870. So 150 points to 200 points correction I expect in Bank Nifty. So let us see the put. 34,900 put in Bank Nifty is around 30 rupees. So up to 12:30, I mean 2:30, this premium decay happening will be there, and the market will also move in such a way to decay all the premiums, call or put or something. So we can wait and get a better opportunity and make use of that. So for the past 1 week when I am coming live, I used to tell today will be the last day, I mean expiry day, there will be a correction and that will be a support level. I gave a support for Nifty around 15,940 levels, but today it came down below that spot level I am talking, and it bounced back. So almost it had taken a very good support, and today if it closes above 16,064, so that will be again a bullish move. And for the month of June I gave a target of 16,800. So those who want to hold for a month time frame, any dip from this level is a buying opportunity. So make use of this dip. Yesterday also I had given the same thing. I asked everyone to buy steel companies. Say for example Jindal, today 3%, Jindal, JSW is 4%. So steel sector will take support, I told, and almost today it came negative and now it is trading positive. Tata Steel now is 1058 high and 1056. So almost 500% up. So I told steel sector will bottom out and it will give a very good returns. Hindalco also one good candidate to have in our portfolio. Now it is around 403. So mostly any dip we can buy. 460 plus will be the ultimate target. So at least 440 or 448 is a comfort zone for Hindalco for this June month contract. So those who are interested, they can go for a buy in this sector. Now Nifty, as I told, it came down to 108 low, and where this option is trading around 12 rupees 50 paise, 14 off. So Nifty is slowly coming down. When it was 16,140, I told it will come to 16,078 levels. Already 108 achieved. So let us wait for another 5-10 minutes. So Nifty now, if I think we can see some more sell-off in Nifty also. Most probably, maybe in next 10 minutes there will be some correction. Any upside is a selling opportunity. Now again Bank Nifty is also moving. Nifty is in range 1624, 22, 24. So now immediately within 2-3 minutes it will break 108. Now previous 5 minutes candle, it will break that level. Once if it breaks that level, it will come up to 92, 94 levels. See now it is, as I told, 2 minutes, already 10 points down. So 12 points down. So it is around 14, 18, 19, 20. So most probably by this 15 hours time frame, Nifty will be below 16,000. Once if it is coming below 16,100, there will be some more sell-off. So my view is first it should break 16,100. And Bank Nifty is showing little strength. Only because of Bank Nifty, Nifty is also moving high. Individual scripts in Nifty, for example ITC, it is not that much bullish. Now it is 0.3% down. And Hindustan Lever, it is just in neutral and it is 1% down from yesterday's close. Today Indigo outperformed all other scripts. It is almost 8%, and some time back it was around 9.5% up. 1613, 1611, 1610. 8 broke. It broke the 8 level also. I told in 3 minutes, 5 minutes it happened. So this identifying 10-15 points just by the way of its move is possible. Those who are trading in options, if they go for a 3 to 10 rupees profit in on expiry day, that's a big profit also. They can go in quantity because 16,100 as I told, it came to 7 rupees low. Now it is trading around 13 rupees. So 13 rupees means just 500 rupees only investment. It's not a big, so they can go for a quantity, make 10 to 15 rupees profit in a matter of 5-10 minutes. So let us see whether it is going to be a zero or hero call. So maximum loss will be 12 rupees. As I told, if you have an average, if it goes to 48, we are getting 3 times profit. Suppose if it becomes 0, we are losing only 12 rupees. So Bank Nifty, they already came below 35,000. So I told it will come correct at least 100 to 150 points, almost 90 points from its high, down from its high. So nowadays the rates are moving in a very fast and furious way, so that everyone will get confused whether to go for a buy or a sell. Suddenly markets are coming down 50-20 points and going up by 100 points like that. But the undertone is now neutral to up. But as such, the move from the morning, it is not that much convincing. Only rates are very high, but still some corrections from here will be very good for the coming days up move. So that is what I expect. So now let us see if Nifty comes around 16,060 or 78 levels, somewhere like that. That's a good opportunity to buy. Kotak Bank, it is in neutral. Let us see IT sector. Tata, TCS is 1.6% up. Wipro 1.4, Tech Mahindra is 1.5, Infosys, Infi is around 0.5%. And my view is for the coming month, mostly IT companies will perform. I told any dip is a buy opportunity. So those who are little bit want to look at for a longer time frame, maybe for a month time frame, they can go for some IT shares for a month time frame. Say for example TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, all these will give at least 8 to 10% comfortably. So Wipro 8% is from 451 now, it is around 494 or something like that. So 500 is a easy target for Wipro, and Tech Mahindra also looking good. Now it is trading around 1077. It will comfortably move above 1164 levels. So Nifty is slowly coming down. So this option is around 17 rupees. It is trading around 17 rupees. Nifty low 103. Bank Nifty is 100 points down from its high. So some pressure is there in Bank Nifty. So Nifty is also showing a little bit of sell-off. This call option is trading around 16 rupees 50 paise. $17 half, 19, 20 half. Nifty, as I told, it came down to 92. So almost 50 points down from 16,140 levels. And Bank Nifty is also 120 points down. So mostly some more down I expect. As I told you, 16,078 is my target in 20 minutes, 30 minutes I told. almost not even 8 minutes gone. Now it is 86 low, 85. I told 16,078, 81 low, 70. And now if it comes to 78, I think this will be trading around 28 or 30 levels. See, almost 60-70 points came down. I told it will come up to 78. 16,080 is low now. That too, I gave a time frame also in a matter of 18 to 20 minutes. It is exactly moving along with the time frame. So if we know to analyze the targets with the time, we can escape from the decay in the option trading like that. So that only I told we should enter options after 2:30 like that, so that the premiums will be very low. There won't be a big decay. So friends, once again we want to go to this and see the individual scripts how they are performing. So now and then every 5-10 minutes we want to see either any script in weightage having weightage in Nifty is nearby the low, or it corrected almost from the high. For example, Reliance was little weak like that. Again from 2005 89, 10 rupees down. So Reliance is not that much strong today comparatively other scripts. So that's why it is dragging down the Nifty, and Bank Nifty is trading around 34,972. Okay friends, now again we'll see Nifty is 16,112. So it will be bouncing here and there some 10-20 points, but overall it will come down to 16,064. Worst scenario, once again it will break that 16,080 levels what it had came just 5-7 minutes. So whatever we plan, say if we expect a correction up to 78, almost 60-70 points it came down. So either if you are in good profit we can exit, or we can hold it for the day as it is a hero or zero call. So another almost 50 minutes is left. So more than a half an hour, 45 minutes is left. So anything will happen in the market, because Nifty climbed almost 200 points in matter of half an hour. So coming down 100 points is not at all a big issue. So here what I am showing you is the contribution of the script. What all scripts are pulling down Nifty. See here Reliance, only because of Reliance Nifty is 28 points down, and because of HDFC Bank Nifty moved 41.38 upside. So HDFC Bank is 22.68 points only because of HDFC, sorry not HDFC Bank, HDFC. So HDFC Bank is 41 points. So like that each and every script will contribute for index to move up, and scripts will drag down the index. So in spite of all this dragging by Reliance, ITC, Adani Port and Divi's Lab, market is up. So that means it is clearly in the hands of bull. So now that's what I'm telling. If things are happening like this, we have to calculate how it will be in the coming time frame. So again and again we have to watch Nifty scripts and Bank Nifty scripts. For example, today HDFC has told it is HDFC is around 22,083, high is 2,300. It is just 17 points down from the high, and the HDFC Bank, the high is 1366. Now it is trading around 1360. So that means we can see some more sell off in a little bit selling pressure, profit booking in these scripts. So this will drag down Nifty to 16,080 again, once again. So I told we can go for some buy in steel sector. Tata Steel again, it is around 160.90, almost 6 rupees up after our entry level. So friends, on expiry day, we should be more and more alert. So retail traders, they don't know much about option trading, so they are not aware of this benefit or risk on this day. But I request every retail traders to watch and spare at least a day or two before the expiry. Maybe if the expiry is on Thursday, means a monthly expiry, they should watch the skips on Wednesday and Thursday, last 2 days. So usually on expiry day, some skips will be bottoming out and some will top out. So they have to know which is bottoming out and which is topping out. For example, today all other comparatively than any other script, steel sector is showing some strength. So that means retail investors, those who watch this, they can go for a buy in steel sector at a dip from hereafter, so that the rally will be there for the coming month. So that's what they have to monitor all those things. Either it may be useful for the intradayers, that is different story. But for a longer term investment side, those who got stuck in steel sector 3-4 days back, almost all and each and every steel company scripts came down by 15 to 20% recently. So today it is showing little bit strength. That means the bottom is almost confirmed. So we can't expect much downside from this level. So we can try to use the opportunity. So again, Nifty is around 16,140. It won't break the high in my view. Even if it breaks the high, that may be the it will just to trigger the stop loss or something like that. It may touch it and immediately it will come down. So now almost it is 245. This 100 script 16,100 is 4 rupees only. As I told, it is a hero or zero call. Nothing to worry. Many times call option from 3 rupees it went to 80 rupees or 90 rupees also. So because almost it will move along with the Nifty. So let us wait for some more time. Bank Nifty is again high, new high. So after a week time of sell-off, today some good buying is happening, and on that particular on expiry day. So we can tell it is a reversal pattern or something like that. After corrections, some sort of support is taken around these levels. So we can use this opportunity, and today's low for many script will not be broken in the coming month time frame. So they can go for a buy in these scripts. Now Nifty, as I told, it is coming near the high 1614. It is not breaking the high. So usually up to 255 this type of move will be there. Then after 3, the average rate of the move will be playing the role. So options, according to that, it will react. So my view again, as I told you, it will definitely correct, because Bank Nifty from high it came down, and Nifty is also around 1615, 14 now. So some sort of profit booking will happen now. So we have to be very cautious. Those who have not entered any options so far, they can go for a 16,150 put option, which is around 16 rupees now. It is around 18 now. You can buy at this level and hold up to the closing. So let us see. Whatever it is, even if it is triple or 4 times, that is also a good useful this thing. So let us see the Bank Nifty expiry, this weekly expiry options details like that. See, today 34,900 call option from 6 rupees, it went up to 190 high. Now it is 163. So from 6 rupees is 190 is almost 30 times. All this happened after 12:30. The rally started after 12:30. That time I had given a buy call for all scripts. Now I ask everyone to buy a put. So now I expect some profit booking, because the way Nifty and Bank Nifty moved vigorously is not advisable, and it should definitely cool down around 16,060 or 64 levels. That is the price what I expect it will close. So I don't think much upside is there. So let us watch for another 10-20 minutes. So those who have taken any options like that, they have to wait up to 320 time frame. So around 320, if they are in a profit or in a small loss or whatever it is, they can exit. So that is what we have to do for today. And it is a continuous process actually. Once we see anything up or down or anything, we have to keep on switching over our positions, and in intraday at least we have to fight to come out in profit like that. Nifty 16,150 is trading around 18 rupees, 17 rupees, and this one is around 3 rupees 50 paise. And still I believe 16,100 call will go up to 40 or 45 levels. That's what I think so. So anything if it is before 3 o'clock, if Nifty is not coming below 118 levels, then we don't know, it may be in a 50-50 success like that. So let us see for another 7-8 minutes. So every 5 minutes Nifty is trading more than 80 points or 70 points here, from upside to down and down to up. So another 7-8 minutes left up to 3 o'clock. So try to take any small avoid call options, because there won't be much up move from here, I think so. Even if it is 10-20 points upside also, that because of decay there won't be any profit in So those who are interested for a longer term move like that, they can go for some IT companies, as I told. That will give some good returns. Bajaj Finance is also showing some strength. It is around 5,800. So now actually the world globally, all countries indices are not that much encouraging. So here and there some bounce backs will be there. But today's activity in our Sensex or Nifty or Bank Nifty is showing some sort of bottoming out. So again, any dip is a buying opportunity. So we can in the closing we can go for a buying in Nifty if it closes above 16,064 futures. Sorry, spot, whatever it is. So if it is closing below that, then again it will become neutral. We may get another dip below 16,000 tomorrow or Monday. So we should take very cautious steps to invest in the trading. Today currency USD INR is not moving that much. It is in a small band only. Same by Nifty, it's high. As I told you, it reached high. Now definitely we can buy a put 16,000 150 put, which is around 9 rupees, or 16,200 put, which is around 38 rupees. So these two will give very good returns, and 150 is just 9 rupees 50 paise, 10 rupees only. So the loss will be very minimum. Either again it's 0 or hero like that. Hindalco is trading around 408. That is also showing strength. Morning when before half an hour, 1 hour, it was 403, 402, 403. So like that, many skips are showing strength. Particularly metal sector is going up. IT sector is also going up. Now it is around 12:54, just 5 minutes left. Then after 3 o'clock, that will be average rates will be there for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that the options will not move in a very big way. Now Bank Nifty is trading around 35,112. $35,100 call is around 35 rupees. I think we can buy that. 35,100 put option is trading around 34. You can buy that one also. It is 31. It is 31. So all these things we should hold up to 320 time frame. So let us see how it is going to happen. But as I told you, there was a very good recovery from the low, and some sort of correction from here, it will give more strength to the market in the coming days. So if it is not correcting up to 16,100 levels or below that level now, I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can see some more dip. So now artificially it all went up because lot of call writers will be there around 16,000 and 16,100, and a very good short covering happened. And these things are unexpected move by many of them, because everyone gave negative targets, and now actually market is after being 100 points, 150 points down, it went up in a very fast and unexpected move was there. So today most of the stocks are in positive territory. Very less number of scripts are in negative. And for example, Kotak Bank is around 1% up. It's almost near the high. Mindtree is one thing which was negative, now it is into the positive territory. So we have to see how all indices are this thing doing support or something. I think from tomorrow any dip is a buying opportunity, and today's low will be a very major support for the coming days. But I think we can expect some up move in the coming week like that, because many sectors are showing some bottoming out like that, particularly private banks which have more weightage in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And same way IT companies are showing very good buying. On a longer term view, it is up. For today, why I gave this entry in put is for the expiry time benefits only. So let us see for another 15-20 minutes how it is going to act, whether the markets will correct or it will close around this level. So almost Bank Nifty put 35,100 put from 32 rupees, it is around 62. It doubled almost, 64 now. And Nifty is also in that range only. Maybe another 2 minutes is left for the 3 o'clock. After 3, this average rate will be coming to the action. So that's why the operators, they use this opportunity to make more decay in the options, and they will come with 100 to 150 points either upside or downside in a matter of 5-10 minutes like that. So let us see for another 1 or 2 minutes, but we can hold it for a time frame up to 320. So it is a hero or zero. Actually it's a little bit weak only. Whatever positions, put options are not that much upside now. So after 3, let us see, because many times after 3 o'clock also 5 rupees put will trade up to 50 rupees also. So those who are interested, they can subscribe and make use of the live analysis and with some informations. Today, since it is a expiry day, we can't give many informations because a lot of volatility is there. But definitely you can make use of my experience in this, and subscribe and share with your friends, so that you'll get much more useful tips or guidance from my side. So 3 o'clock is gone. Now actually some little bit selling is happening. So Nifty is around 16,160. Bank Nifty is around 35,076. Bank Nifty 35,100 put is 55.60. Nifty is coming down slowly. Bank Nifty put is 73 now. I think 88 will be the immediate target. Now it is 77. So mostly Bank Nifty, 1 minute, Bank Nifty is around 35,048, almost 100 points down from its high. So it will break that 35,000. So because after 3 o'clock market is correcting, that means some more corrections will be there. So 87, 88, 88 gone, 93, 94. Almost this script from 33, it doubled, tripled like that. So let us see other actually. So 16,150 call, we gave a buy around 12 rupees. Now it is 9 something. So another just 1 minute is gone. So in this 1 minute, from a low of 3 rupees, it came to 11 rupees. So some buying is going to happen in put side, and even Nifty and Bank Nifty showing little bit of weakness from the high. So let us see how it is going to close in this 5 minutes, that is 3-5 candle. So any negative closing, I mean negative in the sense than 3 o'clock close, we can expect some more sell-off before 3:20. So I request everyone to hold their positions up to 3:20. So Bank Nifty is 35,024. So almost, as I told, that 35,100 put from 30 rupees, it went up to 90 rupees. 94 was the high. Again it is 91. So if it comes below 35,000, it will be 98, 99, 102. So from 30 rupees, 102. It's a 200% profit. Even if you are losing something in put option, Nifty put option, we might have made some money in this. Nifty, yes, another 15-20 minutes is left. Anything may happen. So Nifty from here, even 25 to 30 points correction is also, chances are there. So now from the high of 16,178, it is 16,140. Bank Nifty is going to break that 35,000. Once the 35,000 is broken, a lot of stop loss will be hit in that level. 35,005, yeah, it is coming. Nifty is also down. Nifty 140 levels, and this 16,150 put is around 14 rupees. Those who have bought at 15 rupees, those who bought at 12 rupees or in a lower level also, once if it Nifty and Bank Nifty, if it corrects another 10-20 points, this will be more than 24. Even it is doubled also, it's a good, because we will be losing some money in 16,100 put. So let us wait for a 3:20 time frame. So another 15 minutes is left. Let us hope for the best. Individual scripts, again we want to see Reliance. Reliance is little up, not that much down. State Bank is also nearby the high, 468. Now I expect State Bank will come down at least from 468 to 465 half. 2.5 rupees correction I expect now before closing. So that means 2.5 rupees down from State Bank means Bank Nifty may come down by 30-40 points. So whenever on expiry day, we should have our trade set up in this way, so that it will be easy to watch all the options which is up or down or whatever it is, so that it will be very easy to monitor. Without any confusion, we can make a decision either to buy or sell or something like that. So Nifty and Bank Nifty again down. So those who are interested, they can subscribe. They can make use of this type of live alerts. So for your information, I am not watching any chart. I am just seeing the price action here and there, how it is going to happen. And most of the time it was very successful. And let us see for some more time how it is going to close. So again, Bank Nifty is around 35,000 levels. So once if it breaks 35,000, and I mean, we may see some more sell-off like that. Sell-off in the sense it will profit booking I am talking, because it had already moved very high with not that much of big participation. because everyone are not that much bullish in the market. So very less people participated in this rally. So once again, any dip will give some opportunity for the players to enter, because all are in a mindset that market have not yet bottomed out. So today's activity after closing, they may see some sort of buying happened, so that they may rethink and try to invest in any dip in the coming days. So last 3-4 videos also I have been telling we can expect 16,800 before June contract close. So here also, from here it is around 650 points chances are there. From today's low, almost 800-900 points. So we can plan in such a way so that you can make use of that. Bank Nifty is down below 34,983. That option is 120. I gave entry around 30 rupees. It is 4 times. So already, as I told, 150 points correction. From 35,125 it came to 74. 80 level, sorry. 34,980. Almost 145 points down. So this is what I used to tell people to make use of this type of corrections. Now because of this expiry, options are not giving that much returns. If it is some other day, we might have got this opportunity, we might have made some 70-80 points profit. So Nifty is like that. Bank Nifty, as I told you, it came down, it corrected. So those who are taken position, they can wait up to 320. So another almost 10 to 12 minutes left, and we may expect some more 20-30 points correction downside in Nifty. It is around 36. So 40 points down from the high. Bank Nifty is also moving high. So friends, as I told you, you can go for buying in steel sector around these levels for a 5 to 8% profit for the month of June. So any dip is it's a 100% sure buying opportunity. Kotak Bank almost 1% down from its high. As I told you, after 3 o'clock this selling has happened. So Bank Nifty and Nifty is correcting only because of this type of heavyweights correction. So that's all for now. Actually, it all happened. See, because of this time decay and all those things, we didn't get an decent returns. But still, to a certain extent, we are happy that we analyzed in such a way targets almost a little bit of success is there. Because of expiry, the decays are very high. If somebody had taken in next week put option, they might have made at least some money. So another 10 minutes left. So in my view, for tomorrow, today I don't want anyone to, if they have a longer term, I mean for a week or 10 days time frame, they can go for a buy a small quantity, or else tomorrow we will be getting a dip around 16,064 I told. So around that level. So 80 to 100 points below this level. That's the place there we can try to buy. And the scripts what I have been mentioning is Hindalco, Zindal, Sale, all these things are taken support from the low, and maybe any small dip is it's 100% a buying opportunity. So that's all for now. Because why I gave this Hero Zero put chances is that rally was not in a real term like that, we can assume like that. Friends, I think you enjoyed this Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly expiry live trading this thing. So first entry Nifty came down up to my target. I told it to 78. It came up to 80 levels. It was successful just with the 2 points we missed it. Here also Bank Nifty, after my entry from high, it came down to 150 points. Nifty also corrected at least around 40-45 points. And thing is, because of expiry, these options are not having any big returns like that. So let us see for tomorrow. Any dip is a buying opportunity. So every day I come live, we will give some sort of buy or sell or whatever recommendations as per the chart or anything like that. And those who are interested, they can watch it for a week or 2 days or 10 days, something. If they feel confident in my theory or entries, they can make use of it. And moreover, share with your friends, subscribe for many other videos like this. So it is a thrill trading in options on expiry day. And if we fail, say for example in Bank Nifty we made from 30 points it went to 120 points, 1:4 like that. In Nifty we lost the whole. So if we take some 1 or 2 positions, we may make profit in 1 or 2 entries, and 1 or 2 entries will become zero. So live market analysis will give lot of okay friends, now it is 3:15, just 5 minutes left. I think in this 5 minutes we can't see any big move, because all options will become zero like that. So there will not be big move. So whatever I expected before 320, but Nifty corrected from high around 45 points only, and whereas Bank Nifty corrected 150 points from the high, and it is showing a little bit of strength, and it is closing positive. So what I expect now, this type of move give me a suggest me that tomorrow there will be definitely some sort of correction, a little bit of cool down in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and from there it will take off. So today lot of position rollovers and all those things are happening, short covering or whatever it is, and a longer term view, definitely Nifty as per the charts is weak only, but for an intermediate time frame, I think it had taken some support around this level. I think this support will hold for a target of 16,800 plus by end of the June contract. So try to make use of any dip, and today many skips moved up with my suggestions, all are 3%, 5%, 2% move, and Indigo is flying like anything. It is 10-11% up today. So that's the way market keeps on moving. Today Indigo is 11% and Adani is down by now it is just 1%. Morning it was 9% down. So lot of ups and downs, and I think some bottom fishing happened in this many skips. Hope it will continue for the coming month. So today's low for many individual skips will act as a major support, and you can try to buy and accumulate whenever comes down. And Nifty, in my view, tomorrow any dip around 16,050 or 40 levels, we can go for a buy at that time, some scripts like that. And overall, I am expecting some upside only in the coming days like that. So one opportunity is any dip around 16,050, say 80 to 100 points dip is a buying opportunity. So friends, make use of this type of thing, and I request everyone to at least take care. Suppose if they want to do Bank Nifty futures and options, they should have real updates of all these 5 scripts. Either it is in up move or down, or either taken the support, it is trading near the ICICI Bank is showing a new high. So this type of things we have to keep on monitoring. So for intraday basis, this will give more and more confidence level, and along with this we can try to plan and calculate Bank Nifty's target. So blindly watching the Bank Nifty target, I think that may give some knowledge or some support level, but still individually if you are very much having confidence or this thing, identifying individual script, that will be much and much useful. So let us see how it is going to happen. So friends, try to use dip to enter private sector banks to certain extent, steel sector and IT. Other things I don't know, it is maybe little bullish or like that, but these will give at least 4 to 5% returns, 5+% returns definitely in the June month. So hope you all like this schedule, and share with your friends and join me live. You will get notifications. So share with your friends and make use of this. What all things I had been informing, you can make use of that. And from tomorrow I will give some more information about individual scripts, how to calculate, how it is there, like that, all those calculations also we'll be discussing. So try to attend the live sessions or what all videos I used to post, make use of it, and hope you all enjoyed. Thank you friends for joining it. Keep watching, keep supporting me. Thank you.